Hello Patrick, this is the Alias 5, it's a shoulder, and this is my object lister. If you want it to normally be hidden like that, you just come here and you choose auto hide. So I'll come down here and this is my shoulder layer selected, it's turned brown, okay. And if you want to change colors in your interface, you go up here to preferences and interface, face, and user colors. And once you're in user colors, you can change whatever you want. And this is my active layer here. So if I want to change it to a reddish color, there it is. Okay, right. Now, first thing to do is go and have a look. Okay, we've got symmetry off. So what we're going to do is come down here and right click, pick object, come down again, right click, and put the symmetry on. Now we've got a version of the surface there, but it is, let's pick it, pick object, it is just a symmetrical version of that, it's just an instance of that. Alright, come here and let's put symmetry on, pick objects, and come over here and use the right mouse button, layer, symmetry, create geometry. And when you create geometry, you'll notice that this deselects, and that's telling you that these two entities are not associated with each other, they're not grouped together. So I can pick that one and I can unpick that one, they're separate entities. So there you are, we have created geometry.